A $160,000 country home on half an acre. Is this a steal or is this a trap? Let's give an analysis today on real estate forensics. Here is a small country home outside of Visalia, California. Listing price is $160,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 982 square foot home built in 1967, sitting on half an acre of country land. Now, this is a full gut rehab. As you can tell from the pictures, this is something that is going to have to be completely redone. So we're looking at a total rehab of this home. Now, other things to consider is that this has a septic system. So we're also going to have to check the septic system. And it also has an evap cooler, which is common in these older type homes. So there are a lot of red flags, but the low entry price makes it worth inspecting. Now let's do a quick analysis and let's run the numbers to see if this is something that could be worth our while or if it's a quick kill. Okay, so here we have our forensic analyzer up and we input the numbers for this home and we came up with a quick estimate to see whether this is feasible or not. As you can see, the ARV for this home would be $235,000. The rent approximately $1,300 a month. The rehab, since it's a full gut rehab, and since we have to consider stuff like the cooler and the septic system, is going to be around $120,000. That's our estimate that we came up with using our triage tool. Now, this leaves us with a BRRRR survival range of $54,900 to $61,000. So what does that tell us? That we have a lot of trapped cash in this. It's a quick kill, and it's obvious that it's value capped, and we have about $99,000 that we need to make up in the price for this to be worth it, due to the low ARV in a country home in the Central Valley. So these are our numbers. Numbers don't lie. So what's the verdict? This is a clear fail. This is a pass. This is something we're not going to take too much time to consider because the math just doesn't work. On these rural homes that are low price like this, usually they have a lot of issues and the rehab number usually explodes. We estimated $120,000 here because it has a lot of work, and that's a pretty realistic estimate for this area. It's going to be a pretty big number for the rehab. Also, since the home is small and since we have all those issues, the ARV is going to cap fast. The cap around $235,000. So that's a trap. Our cash is gonna be trapped. So sometimes something like this looks good. We see the potential, but the numbers don't say so. So in this case, the numbers clearly say that these cheap country deals like this usually becomes expensive one, and survival price always rules.